It just feels so rewarding to be able to be part of an industry that is so important to everyone. Didn't grow up with a dairy background. We raised a couple feeder steers. We lived on a farmette. And I just got really involved in my ag classes, and it really pushed agriculture for me. I spent a lot of time milking and interacting with the cows, do pregnancy checks, dehorn calves, look at any cows that we think need further attention, things like that.
We've been milking here since 1993.
I knew the day she walked in the door, she was going to stay. And she really wanted to work and learn. Eventually, she started taking over things that I did, which was a big thing because then that left me to do other things. We're proud of Rylee. We're so glad to have her. She is like a daughter that we never had.
Yeah, they're just really nice people, always willing to help you learn, always supporting you. They just have become like family to me. I mean, I'm here just as much as I am at home.
Pennsylvania is the only state to offer the Dairy Herd Manager Apprenticeship. It's actually the only program that exists like it in the world. An apprenticeship is a great opportunity for these kids who don't want to go to a traditional college, who don't want to spend 4 years away from home, to find the pathway to work in a management role. You don't get that in an office job, to just experience nature, to experience biology, all of those life sciences in such an up-close, hands-on way.
This is Pepper. I showed her when she was a little heifer, so it's kind of sweet to see them come in and be cows and see how they're going to perform. She likes pets, and give her a good scratch, she'll be happy. So just really sweet to have them in the barn with you.
The Center for Dairy Excellence, as a sponsor of the program, covers all the costs associated with the required technical instruction. They do get paid by the farm. Our program manager serves as the mentor to the apprentice, so we make visits to the apprentice and to the farm to make sure the process is going along smoothly.
Herd manager is probably not far off in my future, but I wouldn't be surprised if I branched out in the industry and worked with some of those people that I've made connections with and just found something. I have gained so much skill and knowledge that I can move confidently forward in life, whether it's for my career or anywhere else.